Hi everyone, welcome to this 15-minute gentle yoga stretches. We'll start in child's pose. Find your seat and open your knees wide apart and your hips onto your heels as you extend your arms out in front and bring your forehead all the way down to the earth. And start to deepen your breath in and out through your nose, allowing your body to get really heavy, drop down to the earth, and feel free to rock your forehead from side to side several times as well to relieve any tension or any stress in your mind. Beautiful. Come back to center. And now start to walk your hands all the way over towards your left. Try to keep your hips where they are right now. And feel free to place your right hand on top of your left. And relax your shoulders down. And your bum is really heavy, drop down to the earth to deepen the stretch in your right side body. And breathe. Beautiful. And now, walk your hands back through center and all the way over towards your right. Place your left hand on top of your right and relax everything down to the earth. Soften the hips and soften your shoulders and soften your face. Good. And now walk your hands back to center. And now slowly press yourself up to your hands and knees, tabletop pose, with your legs wide apart. But if you feel any discomfort in your lumbar areas, please bring your knees with hip width distance apart. And then we're going to go through several cats and cows. Take a deep breath in. Start to drop the belly. Lift your gaze. Exhale, tuck your tailbone down, round through the spine, chin to chest. Now we're going to take several more cats and cows at your own pace and rhythm. Inhale to arch. Exhale to your scary cat. Keep moving on your own, connecting your movement with your breath. Inhale to arch. Exhale to round. And last one, big breath into your cow. And exhale to your scary cat. And then come back to your neutral tabletop pose, bringing your knees with hip width distance apart. And tuck your toes under. Press your fingertips down to the earth. Inhale, extend your right leg back. Flex your toes. And then as you exhale, pull your knee to your nose, run through the spine. Inhale, extend that leg back. Exhale to curl in, knee to your nose. Inhale to extend. Exhale to curl in. Inhale to extend. Exhale to curl in. Inhale to extend. Exhale to curl in. Inhale to extend. Flex your right toes and reach your left arm forward. Press your right hand down. Pull your navel in. Huge breath in. And then long exhale out. And left hand comes down. Right knee, foot come down to the earth. And now go ahead, extend your left leg back. Inhale. And then exhale, pull the knee to your nose, rounding through the spine. Inhale to extend. Exhale to curl in. Inhale to extend. Exhale, knee to your nose. Inhale to extend. Exhale to curl in. Inhale to extend. Exhale, knee to your nose. Inhale to extend, stay there. Flex toes and lift your right arm forward. Relax your gaze. Pull your navel in. One more breath here. Good. Right hand comes down, left knee, foot come down to the earth. And then glide your hips back onto your heels as you reach your arms forward, bringing your forehead all the way down to your activated child's pose. Keep your elbows off of the mat. Press your fingertips down, feeling lots of activation through your arms and your hands. On your next inhale, round forward, drop your hips down, untuck your toes, lift your gaze to your baby cobra, elbows hugged in. Exhale, glide your hips back onto your activated child's pose with your toes tucked under. Inhale, round forward. Drop your hips, untuck your toes, bend your elbows, hugged into cobra. And then exhale back to your activated child's pose. And one more time, just like this. Huge breath in, round forward, drop your hips down, untuck your toes, lift your gaze to your baby cobra. Exhale back to your activated child's pose. And then slowly curl your spine all the way up. Coming onto your toe squat, inhale, lift your hips up, coming onto your knees, arms up overhead. Exhale, bring your hands at your heart center. Inhale, sweep the arms out and all the way up. Exhale, hook your thumbs. Take a deep breath in. Lean over to your left as you exhale. And inhale, come back through center. And then exhale, lean over towards your right and your mount. And inhale, come back to center. Exhale, release your hands all the way down to your hands and knees, untuck your toes, and start to tap the tops of your feet to the earth several times. And then come back to center. And bring your right foot between your hands to the front. Lower your hips down and forward as you release your left foot, coming onto your grounded low lunge, dropping your hips even deeper to the earth to feel more stretch in your left front thigh. And then go ahead, glide your hips back, straighten your right knee, and flex your right toes and fold over your right leg. Make sure your hips are still facing forward. Maybe slightly draw your right hip back, left hip forward. Relax the muscles in your face. And breathe. And bend your right knee, hands underneath your shoulders, right foot back to your hands and knees. And now bring your left foot forward between your hands and drop your hips down and forward. Untuck your right toes. Spine nice and long. Relax your gaze. And breathe. And then go ahead, start to glide your hips back, straighten your left knee, flex your left toes. Inhale. As you exhale, fold over your left leg to your half split. Draw your left hip back, right hip forward. Your hips are facing forward. Relax your gaze. Relax your shoulders. Feel the stretches in the back of your left leg. Inhale, flat back. Bring your left foot back to your hands and knees and slowly drop your hips down onto your heels. Find your way up to your seated pose. And then go ahead, bring your feet to one side and we're gonna meet in butterfly pose. So bring the soles of your feet together in front, your knees wide open, and grab your ankles. Take a deep breath in, lengthen the spine. As you exhale, fold over and you mount. Gently place your elbows inside of your legs and allow everything to drop down to the earth, to deepen those stretches in your hips and also your back body here. And breathe nice and easy through your nose. And then on your next inhale, slowly curl your toes all the way up. Exhale, relax your shoulders. And now place your left leg underneath and bring your right leg on top. Knees in one straight line. If that's not happening, totally okay. And grab your feet with your hands. Hips drop down. And then slowly fold over your legs and your mount. Relax your gaze and relax your face. And feel free to place your fingertips in front, finding tall spine there, or keep your hands on your feet. Find your own option, listening to your own body, and stay there with love and patience. Relax your hips even deeper to the earth. And then on your next inhale, slowly curl your toes all the way up and then switch sides. So your right leg on the bottom and left leg on top. Lifting your sitting bones up and back down several times to find the alignment with your knees in one straight line. If that's not happening, totally okay. Hands onto your feet. Inhale, lengthen. As you exhale, slowly fold over your legs and your mount. And feel free to place your fingertips in front, straighten your elbows, or keep your hands on your feet. Find your own option, listening to your own inner wisdom, and relax your face, and relax your belly, and relax your hips, getting deeper to the center of the earth. Good. And then on your next inhalation, slowly curl your torso all the way up to your seated pose. And then extend your legs up in front. Start to shake your legs several times. Back to center. And now bring those legs together. Flex your toes. Find your spine nice and long and tall. And relax. Take a huge breath in. Reach your arms up overhead. As you exhale, fold over your legs and your mount, listening to your own body. And feel free to bend your knees and your mount. You can place your hands onto your thighs or shins, or maybe grab your ankles or feet. Find your own option and stay there with love and kindness towards yourself. Beautiful. And then on your next inhalation, slowly curl your torso all the way up to your seated pose. As you exhale, relax your shoulders down. And now bring your hands behind your back and bend your knees, feet wider than hip distance apart. And take some windshield wipers with your legs from side to side several times. Feeling your hips. And then come back to center. Find your seat once again. And bring your hands at your heart center. And close your eyes. And stay there for one moment to fully listen to your physical and your mental and emotional body here. And then take a moment to find some gratitude towards yourself for showing up on your mat today. And I thank you so much for practicing yoga with me today. And I hope to see you soon in my next video. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Namaste.